For his misdeeds and because all the gods were angry with him, Susanoo was banished to earth from heaven and he landed in the South Korean province of Sia. Pardon my pronunciation if I'm wrong. Now on the western part of the Honshu island. Upon his arrival, he noticed a pair of hashi floating downstream. For the non-Japanese listeners, hashi means chopsticks. And a piece of cutlery floating downstream indicated civilization, and so he reached a certain hilltop where he met an elderly couple in distress.
The old man was the god of hill, and after inquiring about the reason for their distress, Susanoo came to know that the eight-forked serpent of Hoshi had been visiting them every year and devouring one of his 8 daughters every year. Now only one daughter was left.
Susanoo, upon hearing this tale, introduced himself as the storm god and Amaterasu's brother and asked for their daughter's hand in marriage. After that, he devised a plan to protect his wife from her to-be fate. And so, to get rid of the monstrous beast, he told the family to build a fence with 8 platforms and prepare some strongly brewed Japanese rice liquor or sake if you're familiar with the term. And after that, on each platform of the fence, a bowl of sake was placed.
After preparing everything, they were waiting for the monstrous beast to arrive, and when he arrived, they invited him to drink the liquor. The serpent drank all of it and he was intoxicated. After some time, he fell into a deep slumber with all his head rested on the 8 platforms on the fences. Taking advantage of this situation, Susanoo chopped all of his heads, and that's how he saved his bride from death.
Susanoo finally married the hill god's daughter, built a place in Suga located in Izumo, and started ruling the earth with his descendants.
The sun goddess Amaterasu was watching all of this from the heaven, and still being upset with his brother, she was unhappy to see Susanoo's lineage ruling all over the world. So she sent her grandson Ninigi along with 5 other deities and several gifts.
Ninigi descended to earth in Tsukushi or Takachiho in northern Kyushu and thus subdued various chieftains in different parts of Japan under his rule. However, the task of Japan's unification was completed by Ninigi's grandson, Emperor Kamuyamato Imarebiko, or popularly known as Emperor Jimmu, who was Japan's first emperor.
Jimmu Tenno moved by sea and land routes to the present cities of Osaka and Kyoto, and he gained control over all regional rulers, and finally he established the kingdom of Yamato or Nihon as we know it today in 600 BC.